Hi, Tony Lewis here from AL Plumbing and Heating. Got the Scrubb's glass cleaner, going to give it a try. So this is really good stuff. You only use a very small amount to clean a large pane of glass. It's really good value for money, 750 mils, and you'll use a couple of sprays to clean a whole patio doors. The S32 glass cleaner is really good on anything that gets on your windows, cleans everything off beautifully and doesn't leave any streaks or smears when you're finished. And easy to hold with a good spray mechanism. It's got the on off, so you're not going to mistakenly spray the fluid when you don't need to. Because of its economy, I would say I give it 5 stars. It does what it says on the bottle.